Kyle Zimmerman is a savvy college student, but even the brightest of us can fall for a scam.
I just did a quick Google search for a RIP Harambe T-shirt, and the first one that came up was Etsy.
That's right, Zimmerman wanted a T-shirt honoring Harambe, the fallen gorilla. Etsy, a sort of Amazon for homemade crafts, has dozens of Harambe shirts handmade by members.
And I ordered it right then and there from my phone.
But the next day, Zimmerman received a receipt for $625.
And it says quantity 1, $25, shipping, $600.
Yeah, just in case you didn't catch that the first time, we're talking $600 to ship what was probably a $5 shirt.
Furious, he checked the seller's posting.
He doesn't do cancellations or refunds, only returns.
So he disputed it through his bank, but the bank couldn't stop the charge.
I had accepted the terms and conditions from the seller, and this was on me.
The good news, after he emailed Etsy and we followed up with them, Etsy agreed to refund the shipping ripoff. Zimmerman admits he missed Etsy's safety tips that say check seller feedback, contact the seller directly through Etsy's conversations feature, and read the seller's shipping policies. Next time he wants a Harambe shirt,
make sure you click the details because it could look for a cheap shirt, but that shipping could be $600.
Etsy says it's investigating the seller who has disappeared. But a reminder that Etsy, like Craigslist and eBay, are marketplaces. You have to check each seller individually.